This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. So this is for energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. Let's see the energies for you, Libra. This is a general reading. Pwede itong makarelate sa inyo, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, hindi po ako mag-message sa inyo or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra, what is the energy for you? May 1 to 15. May 1 to 15. Okay, community. So, some of you, Libra, maaring mas magiging active kayo sa social media, sa circle ninyo, sa community ninyo. You will be connecting more ngayong first half ng May. Pwedeng ang inyong career ay nasa, social media, content creation, or public public service. This is more on being present sa collective, okay? Helping others, being seen, nakikita ng public. Okay. Uy, relationship change. Some of you, may pagbabago sa inyong relasyon. This can be a positive change or a not so good change, no? But, yeah, this is about change. Pwede rin change ng relationship mo sa ibang tao. Like how you communicate with them, how you deal with them. So, you're becoming more open sa relationship mo with the community, or maaring gagawa ka ng sarili mong community na meron kayong pare-parehong interest. Okay? Let's see the overall energy. What is the overall energy for Libra, May 1 to 15? The 9 of Cups. You're happy. Masaya. Masaya ang first half ng May para sa inyo. This is about fulfillment ng wishes ninyo. Maaring may mga parties kang pupuntahan. That's why mas nagiging outgoing ka, connecting to your community. You are meeting new people. You are meeting new connections. You are networking. You have a lot to thank for. So, some of you, Libra, very grateful kayo sa mga nangyayari sa life niyo. What is the challenge for Libra? Ano yung challenge? The 9 of Pentacles. As a challenge, pwedeng sa finances to. So, pay attention to your finances kung paano kayo gumagastos. Baka medyo nagiging magarbo ang paggastos, no? Paglabas-labas, ganyan. I mean, it's okay. But, with responsibility, kumbaga. With limit. Okay? So, pwede rin sa workplace to, anything na kailangan mong bigyan ng focus, attention sa trabaho kasi maaring nadidistract ka. Minsan kasi, 'di ba? Masaya naman kasing kasama mga barkada or to be out there, but sometimes, we also need to balance. Na baka meron ka nang nakakaligtaan na ibang bagay na importante rin naman sa buhay mo na kailangan mo pagtuunan ng pansin. Now, your blessing is the 6 of Pentacles. Oh, speaking of balance, this is the opportunity. Bakit sinabi ko blessing? So this can be blessing or opportunity for you. Bringing balance into your life. This is an energy of someone na may kakayanang tumulong sa iba. Whether this is money, no, pera, resources, energy, effort, you have the opportunity to help others. So yung iba, kaya rin kayo may community because yun yung motivation nyo, yun yung nagpapasaya sa inyo, inspiration nyo to help other people to grow. Kumbaga may mentorship, ganyan. Let's see the blessing. Okay. The 7 of Pentacles. So as a blessing, yung hinihintay mo, darating na sa kaperahan, sa trabaho, sa opportunities. Okay? This is also, kasi yung waiting for fruition. Minsan nakakainip hintayin yung hinihintay mo. Pero kadalasan kasi, 'di ba, ano nga ang isipin na lang natin na ito ay blessing in disguise na minsan kaya hindi natin natatanggap pa yung hinihintay natin, ina-anticipate natin because that is the way of the universe to protect you. Let's say, natanggap mo na yung pera, tapos yung pala, baka mawala sa'yo ng mabilisan, di ba? So, may mga ganong dahilan. So, kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. Darating yung para sa'yo. Kung ano talaga ang dinedeserve mo. Okay, so let's see the energy ng iyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Libra. May 1 to 15. Wow, ganda naman. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. This is, kaya rin merong change dito. I think this is your change pagdating sa relationship mo sa pera. How you deal with your finances. Maaring may bago kang realization na kailangan mas maging maayos ako sa pag-handle ng kaperahan ko or mas maging maayos ang trabaho, the way you will show up to your career, to your business, to your projects. The Wheel of Fortune is also about fate, destiny. So some of you, kung kayo nalilito ngayon, saan kayo papunta sa career ninyo, career path nyo, this coming May 1 to 15, you will have this realization on which path to take. Ano yung landas na iti-take mo? Sa career mo, business, trabaho. Or how you handle your finances. Now, let's see naman sa love life. Love life ng mga Libra. Ace of Pentacles. This is a new beginning in your relationship. I think this relationship is something practical para sa'yo. Something that will help you along the way. So, pwedeng iba, nagsisimula kayo ng isang relasyon. Nandun kayo sa early stages of the relationship where you're trying to get to know someone. Kung practical ba, kung may connect ba kayo ng person na to. Okay? But if you're in a relationship, possible na meron kayong bagong pagkakaabalahan ng person mo in terms of career or business. Let's see the final message sa mga Libra. Okay. Feelings. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Some of you are healing from challenges, no? Na pinagdaanan ninyo. Kung may naririnig kayong maingay, pasensya na. Anak ko, sumisigaw na naman. Okay? So, you will be gentle to yourself. Dahil, syempre, ang healing, hindi naman yan minamadali. Okay? So, you need to go through it in your own pace, in your own timeline. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.